Looking for the best 4K dash cam to protect your car and capture every detail on the road? You're in the right place. Today, we'll be breaking down the top 5 best 4K dash cams from budget-friendly picks to high-end models packed with smart features. Make sure to watch this video till the end to find out which dash cam truly stands out as the best one overall. Let's get started, beginning with number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 5. 11.26-inch dash cam. At number 5, we have the 11.26-inch 4K dash cam, a full-featured smart dashboard recorder that doubles as a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto display. This all-in-one device not only records 4K ultra-clear front footage and 1080p rear video, but it also provides GPS navigation, Wi-Fi, FM, and O connectivity, transforming your car into a smart driving hub. Its large touchscreen gives you an easy-to-navigate interface, while dual-lens recording ensures complete front and rear coverage day or night. Pros: stunning 11.26-inch touchscreen display. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto built-in. Dual-lens 4K plus 1080p recording. Integrated GPS and navigation features. If you want a smart dash cam that combines safety and convenience, this is a great all-around pick. Number 4. LINGDU AZDOME V620. At number 4, the LINGDU AZDOME Dash Cam V620 offers cutting-edge driving assistance with ultra-sharp 4K front and 1080p rear recording. It features advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, like lane departure and forward collision warnings, helping you stay alert and avoid accidents. With Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, motion detection, and an upgraded timeline playback system, you can easily review and share videos from your phone. Pros: 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording. ADAS alerts for safer driving. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Parking mode with motion detection. Perfect for drivers who value safety and detailed footage, the LINGDU V620 is a feature-packed dash cam at an affordable price. Number 3. KAWA D11 Dash Cam. At number 3, the KAWA D11 4K front and rear dash cam delivers premium recording quality and cutting-edge imaging technology. It's powered by the Sony Starvis sensor, known for producing clear, detailed footage even in low-light conditions. The AIISP color night vision ensures crystal clarity at night, capturing license plates, road signs, and surroundings with ease. It also includes Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and smart video recording for a professional, secure driving experience. Pros: 4K ultra-clear video quality. Sony Starvis sensor for superior night vision. Dual-channel front and rear recording. Smart GPS and Wi-Fi functionality. If you're serious about capturing every detail, the KAWA D11 is an outstanding performer. Number 2. DDPAI Mola N3 Pro. At number 2, we have the DDPAI Mola N3 Pro, one of the smartest and most reliable dash cams on the market. It records in 2.5K resolution, offering crisp and clear visuals that easily capture license plates and fine road details. With Wi-Fi connectivity and smart app integration, you can preview and download videos directly to your smartphone in seconds. It also includes an advanced supercapacitor system, which withstands extreme temperatures, perfect for hot or cold US climates. Pros: crystal clear 2.5K video recording. Smart app control via Wi-Fi. Temperature-resistant design. Easy installation and compact build. If you want an intelligent and dependable dash cam, the DDPAI Mola N3 Pro is one of the most balanced options available. Number 1. AZDOME M550 Pro. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the AZDOME M550 Pro, the ultimate 4K dash cam setup for 2025. It features a 4K front camera and 1080p interior and rear cameras, giving you complete 3-channel coverage, perfect for rideshare drivers, commuters, and families alike. The built-in GPS logs every route and speed, while 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you instantly transfer videos to your phone. With infrared night vision, a large 3.19-inch IPS display, and 24-hour parking mode, this dash cam is built for full protection and professional performance. Pros: 4K plus 1080p triple-channel recording. Built-in GPS and high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Excellent night vision and parking surveillance. Large, bright IPS display. Overall, The AZDOME M550 Pro is the best 4K dash cam of 2025, combining cutting-edge image quality, smart features, and complete vehicle coverage for unbeatable protection. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So there you have it, the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025. Each of these dash cams delivers incredible clarity, reliability, and protection. But if you want the best all-around performer, the AZDOME M550 Pro clearly takes the crown. Which dash cam would you pick for your car? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and product roundups. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.